and welcome. I'm Miss Hornbostel, and today we're going to be doing a physics experiment with Newton's laws of motion that you should be able to do in your own home. If you'd like to follow along with your own materials, you may. All you will need is a cup, a coin, and a stiff piece of paper or card. What we're going to do for our procedure is first place the card over the opening of the cup. Then we're going to place the coin on top of the card, right over the mouth of the cup. When we begin our procedure, we're going to flick the card and see what happens to the coin. Now, with any science experiment, we need to develop a hypothesis. Remember, a hypothesis is an educated guess about what you think is going to happen. So for my hypothesis, I wrote that when I flick the card away, the coin will move with the card. Let's see what happens and gather some results. Alright, what we can see is that the coin did not move with the card, as my hypothesis suggested, but fell directly into the cup. So we're going to write that down in our results section. Now, to understand why this happened, we need to do a little bit of research. So I looked up Newton's first law. In Newton's first law of motion, it states that if an object is not moving, it will not start moving by itself. If an object is moving, it will keep moving in the same direction until something pushes it. Take a minute using your knowledge of Newton's first law of motion and what you saw in the experiment and try to think, why did what we see happen? In my analysis, I wrote that the coin did not move to the side because it was not moving, and so it will not start moving by itself because of Newton's first law.